Hi, ladies and gentlemen. While working with MS Excel, we often face a problem of not being able to see the header row after scrolling down. For example, we cannot see the header row. This is a variable. In such cases, we need to freeze the row to keep the header visible. So just we have to select this row and we have to click view and freeze pen. So now we freeze only top row. So the click. Okay. Now if we scroll, then the first row is fixed. So obviously it is very helpful. Similarly, if we like to freeze the first column, this is the for example ID variable first column. If we scroll, then this is we cannot see this first column. So obviously we have to select the first row, then go to the views and click the freeze pans and click the first column, freeze first column. You have to click here. Okay, then obviously these are fixed. We can see the first column after scrolling. If we would like to freeze the first row as well as first column, then we have to keep the cursor here and go to the view and click the unfreeze. Now freeze pan. If we click the first item, then yes, this is now the first row as well as first column have been freezes. Thank you.